After setting the scale globally, we're going to find the width of each worm on day 1 of pre-amputation. So let's drag worm 9 image onto ImageJ to open it up. And as you can see, it shows the scale of the image in millimeters, which means that the scale has been set. Then we can press Ctrl or Command plus in order to zoom in. After that, we're going to use the line tool to draw a line across the worm. And then after that, we can use Command or Control M in order to find the length of the line, which is also the width of the worm. In this case, it's 0.633. We can note this length in our workbook template by opening it up, and as you can see, the worm is called Triton 9, and then on the day 1 width, I would type 0.633 in order to record it.